Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Minecraft error code Eroded Badlands. So the error code is called 0X80004005, and so let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go ahead and find Minecraft, either the Minecraft or Minecraft launcher on your desktop. Once you find it, I'm just going to use a random app like as in my example. So once you find it, just go ahead and right click on it, and you're going to go to properties. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the compatibility tab and you're going to check two boxes. The first box you're going to check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and the second box you're going to check is run this program as an administrator. Now once you are done, you go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK and then start up the game this way. If you couldn't find it on your browser, another thing you guys can do is click on the Windows icon, type in Minecraft, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to Minecraft Launcher and you're going to click Run as an Administrator. You can also do this. Now, once you do this and you start the game up, the error code should be fixed and you should be good to go. And you can always restart your PC as well to see if that works as well. Now you should be good to go, and that is basically it for the video. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.